Hey guys, I'm making this quick video just to show you how to fix this typo issue we're having with our iPhones. If you're like me and you've noticed that you're typing a bunch of typos more frequently than before and you don't know why, then I'm here to tell you it's probably not you. It's probably just like the operating system causing issues. Something in the settings for your keyboards might be causing that problem. The way I noticed is I was typing messages to my friends and I started noticing there were more typos than not, and I've never had issues typing words before. And even if I took my time typing them very carefully, I still noticed that there were typos. So I started experimenting with a couple of keyboard settings on the iPhone, and I noticed that one particular setting kind of took away those typos, right? And today I'm going to share with you what that setting is. So to get to it is basically go into your settings on your iPhone and scroll down, go to General. Then from General, scroll down to Keyboard. And depending on which iOS version you have, the placement might be a little bit different. But what you're looking for is Character Preview. You want to click on Character Preview and disable that. Once you disable the Character Preview, at least for me and my friends that I showed this to, they've noticed a huge improvement when it comes to typos, to the point where they're like, wow, okay, well, that's interesting. I didn't know that setting was going to cause these issues. But yeah, turning it off, fix the typos for me. And we can go ahead and come here to notes and just type thumbs up. Kind of, before this one would type thumbs up with like an I instead of a U or a J. It was weird, or an H. But now after disabling the character preview, that's not really happening anymore. So yeah, I hope that this ends up working for you guys too. And if not, then we'll just keep looking to see if there's anything else we can do to fix it. But for now, this is working for me and my friends, and just want to share that with the rest of the world. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I hope this video was super helpful to you guys. Catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.